is Emily Cha, and I'm 20 years old and I'm from Visalia. I really love music. Anytime I have free time, that's what I do. I play the piano, the guitar, the uke, and I really want to learn the violin. But anyways, yeah, right now I would say my whole life is about music ever since I was a kid. Yeah, I like all sorts of music, like alternative, soft rock, R&B, Hmong, slow music. It's just country. Yeah, I like all sorts. It depends on if the song's good or if it has good meaning to it, then yeah. When I was younger, I was really into dancing, but then I moved from Sacramento to Porterville, and that's when my cousin Annie Cha, she was like singing, and I guess she was kind of like really into YouTube stuff, and me and her, we would always sing together, and so I would say Annie Cha is my inspiration to music.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Thank you guys for giving me this opportunity, and it's such a great honor to be here. And yeah, you guys are awesome. My name is Emily Cha. I am contestant number 16. You guys should definitely come and support the top 20 contestants, and the mic next year will be awesome.